Taste Buddy. Hey, Taste Buddy. What are we tasting today? Chocolate chips. Chocolate chips. Librarians are known for their love of chocolate and enjoyed in many forms, especially in cookies made from any of the many cookbooks available in our libraries or digitally on Libby or Hoopla.
So we figured, who better to blind taste test 8 different kinds of semi-sweet chocolate chips than 33 of our closest librarian friends. We used a ranked choice voting method to determine our winners. That means we didn't have our friends vote for their single favorite, but we asked them to rank the chips in order, favorite to least favorite, assigning a point value to each position, which we tallied up to find our winner.
We asked for feedback on these specific chips, and here's a sampling of the responses we got.
This is more creamy. I like this one better.
That one's a little bit better. Maybe not.
That's really good.
That one's good. Just has a little bit of an aftertaste.
It's really fruity.
This tastes a little fruity.
It's really coconutty.
It's sort of like a banana taste.
Like a coffee or a mocha or something.
A little bitter.
Pretty delicious.
That one's like, it's got something else in it.
Like not as dark as the other one.
Very good chocolate flavor without anything else like overwhelming it.
Whatever these are, they have something strange in them.
Actually, that one has a bad aftertaste.
I think this one's my favorite.
One of them tastes like caramel, and I definitely like that one.
This tastes very milky.
So it's not really good or bad, just different.
This one has a little something like darker to it.
So, who's the winner? What? I said, who's the winner? Who's the winner? No, who's the winner?
With the ranked choice voting method, our winner was Guitard, followed by Target's Good and Gather brand, and our third place winner was the Great Value brand by Walmart. So if you're making cookies for your family, a teacher,
Or your favorite librarian?
well, yeah, keep those brands in mind.
Make certain you check out Lauren and Chris's Baking Science right here on Pioneer Library Systems YouTube channel.